Hi, this is going to be a video to show you how to create a form on Google Docs. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so this is dismiss. This is this is my open Google Docs screen, my drive, right here. So, right above my drive, there is a create button. You may have used this before for creating a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, or something like that, or maybe even a folder. But for this, we are going to teach you how to create a form. So you go to click on the create button, move down to form, click on form, opens up this new thing. This is just for people who are new to Google Forms. So close this because you won't be needing that. So here you will be able to choose the title and the theme. So for right now, we'll just leave it untitled. Let's just say practice form. Okay. Um, and I myself like the Argyle theme, and then click OK once you're done, and it'll take you to this, your blank form. And we'll start at the top. So you can require a certain type of login to view that kind of form, like a Gmail login, or in this case a TPDC login. And you can also show a progress bar at the bottom to show how far the person has gotten in that form when they take it. And you can also automatically collect all the all their usernames, all the users who actually fill out the form. It automatically collects their usernames. We won't be needing that, but just in case, just to let you know, there it is. We'll leave that be because it was default settings. So this is going to be our practice form. So you make a question. There is different types of questions. So you can have multiple choice, paragraph text where they type in a paragraph or just text, or type in just normal text, check boxes, of course multiple choice. You can choose from a list. There's a scale, grid, time, and date, and you can play around with all of that stuff, but for right now we'll just do multiple choice. Okay, so the question will be, how do I make a Google form? Good. And then you can add a help text just in case. You can also add where they go to a page based on the certain answer that they choose. But for right now, we'll not do that. So just backspace, and the answer could be for number 1. We'll make a couple of wrong answers and one right answer. So let's choose to do go to Gmail or something like that. Now, next option, backspace. And so the second one would be go to Google Docs and click create. Good. And third option, number 3, will be a wrong option again. The wrong option will be, let's say, make a PowerPoint. Can't remember if that's one word or 2 words, but just leave it like that. And then you can save it as a required question, as in they have to do this, or you can just let them choose if they want to do this. We'll make this a required question. Done. And then you can add an item, select which kind you want to use. So we'll go for, this time we'll go for multiple choice again. And you can do whatever you want, like, how old are you? Well, actually, for that question, we'll change that to choose from a list. And we'll make this a required question. Option 1 will be 26. Option 2 will be 27. 227, no, 27. Option 3 will be 28. 28. Option 4, 29. And option, not 429. Here, sorry. It would be, well, delete those, and then let's delete these first. Delete, and option 5 will be 30. Good. Now, click done, and you choose from a list here. Whoa, what the heck? Here. How old are you? Now, we'll have this done, and now when you go to the bottom, there are parts where you can, when you fill out the form, it normally says your response has been recorded, but you can also, you can add to that or make a whole new thing and say your response has been recorded. Have a good day. There. And you can also show a link to submit another response. You can uncheck and check that if you just want it, if you want them to be able to do it multiple times or not. Publish and show a link to the results of this form to all respondents. Let's see what that means. If enabled, all respondents will be able to see this form's results. So, do you want that to happen? I think that we should. Now, allow responders to edit responses after submitting. No, I think that we should just keep it so they do it just one time. Now, we have it done. So, if you want to view how it will look like when people open it up and you send it to them, you click View Live Form. It's up here. You can also have it do a bunch of different stuff, but accepting responses, choose response destination. And for this, you'd probably make a new spreadsheet for practice form responses. You'd click create, but for right now we won't do that. So we click View Live Form, and it'll take us to a new link. And this is what it looks like in real life. Now, you can go over here. It has all the stuff that you've seen. You may have seen another Google form. So the right one is go to Google Docs and click Create. How old are you? Select how old you are, maybe just random 28. And then you would click Submit. And it brings you to this page, and it says, your practice form. Your response has been recorded. Have a good day. And that's what you typed in at the bottom. So this is where it shows up. Once the person says submit, you can see previous responses or submit another response. So you can say, see previous responses. This is just how many that you've done. 100%, and 28 is 100%. That's just from one person. So you'd probably have a whole lot more people than just one. So, yeah, and that is how to create your own very form. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.